really adores me. Sorry, I really love this pig. I just want to love all animals, really. I want people to love all animals. This sheep really loves me. So cute. Love Helen. We will have a vegan future soon. Strange that a lot of people love cats and dogs, but they still eat cows and pigs and chickens and sheep and ducks and geese, all the animals. Most people are against animal cruelty, but we live in a society of animal lovers. But if they really love animals, why do they eat them? For some reason, a lot of people just think as dogs as pets, and people think as pigs as food. Because the fact is, there is no difference really. It looks like a warthog without sharp teeth. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
They're the same family, aren't they?
Yeah, they're from the same family. Because what he's saying is, when you buy a bacon sandwich, you're actually paying the pig to be killed or something. Made me a bit feel sad, but the guy who's eating the pig is he doesn't see the process of these animals raised and how they got killed. Disconnected to the process of this sandwich that person is eating. They're not saying people that eat meat are bad. They're just brought up that way. They're conditioned that way. The same with farmers. Like, I'm not saying farmers are bad people. They're just brought up to the system. They think that it's right to exploit animals. They think it's normal. If the whole world went vegan, then all the forests will come back and the wildlife will come back and the oceans will return. All this wildlife will actually come back. These industries never show you the truth. They said they market you like free-range eggs and high. They always use the high welfare stuff. Keep saying humane slaughter and stuff. Is there any humane way to kill an animal? Yeah, an animal doesn't want to die really. Humane slaughter is just it just makes no sense really, because the fact is these animals really want to live. They don't want to be murdered just for as a sandwich. You don't want to be murdered just for a sandwich and a burger. They really want to live. It's an apple. An apple? I think of it as pork and bacon. There's vegan bacon. My mum buys that vegan bacon from Sainsbury's. Really friendly to me. People are disconnected of the animal. They're so disconnected. He loves me. Absolutely. He's like my best friend. He's like my best friends. Friends of a sheep. It is horrible that people torture these animals. The farmer grabbing his sheep and pushing them down, and because it's a living being. Because I know people eat lambs really at Easter time. People eat lambs because it's weird, because you know how young they are to get killed. 6 or 9 months. It's still young. Look at the egg industry. They mince up male chicks just because they won't produce eggs really, and also the calves get killed. Male calves get shot in the head after birth because males don't produce milk really. End up to be slaughtered just for food. It's actually taking an animal's life away. Really, that's actually taking an animal's life away. And you go to a gas chamber and you hear these pigs screaming, and also it is true. Pigs do scream in a gas chamber. And actually. They suffer, they do. It's just, I don't know why they have to hurt these poor animals. It's just, don't eat these animals because they're still beautiful. They're intelligent. They're more intelligent than a dog. They're more intelligent than a small child. They're very clean. And they don't want to be killed. They don't want to be killed. Because I know a lot of people get angry that in China they eat dogs, but they're not angry about a pig being killed. Speciesism. A dog is a friend, and a cow or pig or chicken and a sheep as food. Animals are friends really. These animals are like us really. They feel pain. They have love. They're not like objects. They actually have their own emotions. They feel pain. They have love. In places like slaughterhouses and factory farms, I do feel pain because the reason why I became vegan is because my dad showed me a cartoon video called Man. And it's about a guy walking around hurting animals, and it did shock me when I first saw it. It did actually shock me when they showed animals getting killed and stuff, and that made me think really. I didn't think about the cruelty in animal products, I just ate it. I didn't think about it, but He tried to tell me about got to go vegan, but I didn't listen to him because I just don't want to give up eating it back then. Because I don't want to change. Really. Most people don't want to change because of the taste, really. Yeah, I have vegan alternatives now. There's so many vegan alternatives of burgers and sausages and stuff. Like, it's really good. It looks and tastes the same, except there's no cruelty in it, and that's why. The good thing of being vegan is you don't get to miss the same flavours and the same taste what you used to like back then. Very friendly to me, comes up to me, loves me. Super friendly he is. Belly rubs.